In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact U.S. Visa scheduling support. It's important to note that the best way to contact support may vary based on the country where you're applying for your U.S. visa. This means that understanding your specific location can streamline the process and help you get the assistance you need more quickly. First, you'll want to open the U.S. Visa scheduling website for your country or visit the U.S. Visa's contacts page. This is a crucial step because it ensures that you are accessing the correct resources tailored specifically for your location. Each country's website may have different procedures, so starting here can save you time. As the page loads, you will see various options and resources available to you, including contact details that are relevant to your specific needs. Once that is done, sign into your visa scheduling account if you have one. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one, as having an account can provide you with additional options for support. When you sign in, you might notice a dashboard that gives you access to your visa application status and other pertinent information. This is essential because it allows you to manage your application and ensures that your inquiries are tied directly to your case. Now go to the Contact Us Help or Support section. This section serves as a gateway to all available support options. By navigating here, you will find the various ways you can reach out for help. It's designed to guide you on how to get your questions answered. Look for links or buttons that lead you to different methods of contact, which will be helpful as you proceed. Next up, choose your preferred contact method, which may include options like email, phone, live chat, or an online inquiry or support request. Each method has its advantages. For example, live chat can provide immediate assistance while email may offer a more detailed exchange. Consider your issue's urgency and complexity when making your choice. This step is vital as it allows you to communicate in a way that best suits your needs. After selecting a contact method, provide your full name, passport number, DS-160 confirmation number if applicable, and a detailed description of your issue. This information is critical for the support team to assist you effectively. By giving them all the necessary details up front, you increase the chances of a quicker resolution. It also helps establish your identity and the context of your inquiry, which is essential for security and accuracy. Now submit your request and wait for a response from the customer support team. This step might feel like the hardest part as it requires patience. However, the support team will review your information and get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, the response time can vary based on the volume of inquiries they receive, but rest assured that your request is important to them. It's also worth noting that contact details vary by country. For instance, applicants in the Philippines have specific contact methods such as emailing support at support-philippines@usvisascheduling.com or calling their customer service center during business hours. Always refer to the specific contact information listed on your country's official U.S. Embassy or U.S. Visa Scheduling website to avoid scams. Lastly, remember that official U.S. government emails end in @state.gov, while official visa scheduling support emails will use the @usvisascheduling.com domain. Being aware of this can help you avoid potential fraud and ensure that you are reaching out to the right sources. Following these steps will provide you with the support you need in your visa application process.